tro, mewn dosbarth dysgu Cymraeg, yng nghanol rhes o ddysgwyr, roedd un heb gael ei wneud yn iawn. A dyma nhw'n ei daflu fel sbwriel i gornel dywyll, neu portalbot fel mae rhain i alw. Ond un dydd, o'r gogledd pell, daeth Ioan Talfryn, a chydau bwyherau hyd i wneud yn fyw. Yna, aeth ag ef heb oed i dim i ffatri Cymru, lle rhoddodd y ddewines Nia Pari, bwer arbennig iddo. Nid dysgwr cyffredin mohono bellach, ond Taff Man! Taff Man ar Dysgwraig Ansicr.
Here I am. This is it. The Welsh class. The dosbarth Cymraeg. They're all having fun. Seems like they're actually learning the language as well. I hope I'll be able to learn like that. But what if I just don't get the hang of it? What if I don't manage to pick any of it up? And that teacher looks quite strict. She's throwing teddies at them. Maybe I'm not a language person at all. I was useless at French in school. Why on earth did I think this would be any different? What am I doing here? I'm sure there's an origami class down the corridor.
Don't you go anywhere.
Taff Man?
You came here with the intention of dysgu Cymraeg, and for that, you should be commended. Well done, da iawn ti. Sure, it's going to be a long old road, but on that road you will find there are plenty of people and services out there to help you. The hardest thing you'll have to do is walk through that door for the first time. Come here. Look at them in there. Look how happy they are. You see that sparkle in their eyes? It could be you. Now tell me, are you ready to walk through that door? Ti'n barod I dysgu?
Yes, yes, Taff Man. Diolch. Dwi'n barod. I'm ready to dysgu Cymraeg.
Tactless, tidy. Don't underestimate the difference that dysgu Cymraeg, speaking Welsh, can make in your life. It doesn't have to be a class. There are plenty of self-teaching methods out there for you. Or you could do it online, or away. Remember, I can't always be there to help you get started. So dive in, take the plunge, and get yourself speaking Welsh now. Newch e nawr!